Hi guys, I'm Hitesh and today I'm here with this product which is influencer marketing school guys. This is a third category. Okay, always you listen about organic method. Second one, inorganic method means paid advertising. But here, this is third category of getting traffic, which is influencer marketing. Why? Because here you don't need to do work for getting organic traffic, and even you don't have to pay too much like ads and advertising, something like that. Here you have to pay only some little bits. Okay, actually you have to close deal here. Okay, and just because of that you can start getting not even traffic, you can directly start getting some conversions. Okay, just because of good influencers. So this is completely different method guys. Okay, not organic, not inorganic, because inorganic you have to go for advertising. Okay, and organic you have to work for or getting organic traffic and something like that. Both methods are different. I'm not talking about money, I'm just talking about the method. Okay, in paid ads, in organic, you have to run advertise on Facebook, Google, and everywhere. You can say YouTube, something like that. But in organic, you have to do work for getting organic traffic. You have to spend much time. But this is influencer marketing. You don't need to run advertising for this. Okay, you have to obviously you have to pay something. Okay, not too much. You have to pay something. Okay, you can start with little pennies, but here you will actually chances of getting conversions are too much higher than advertising and organic too. Okay, so I'm just showing you what you are going to get. Actually, if you go through the link below, you will know each and everything I mentioned here, what you are going to get, influencer marketing, and why it works so well for business. I will tell you why it will work so well for business. I will tell you each and everything, exactly how to find and contact influencer guys. This is too much important, because if you learn this, for example, if you learn this influencer and all these things, so that you can actually you will learn to contact big giants and big people also. Okay, and it will be too much helpful, not for influencer marketing, even just for your business, for your other works also. Okay, so this is not limited for influencer marketing guys. Okay, if you learn contact to influencers, it will be helpful for your another business and for your another things also. Okay, and you can make some huge result, but just because of this, but because you are contacting influencers, and some things, some more specific things you will be able to know. Okay, okay, and how to actually how to negotiate and how to create or how to make perfect deal. Okay, all things you will learn inside this product. These are some of my bonuses. You can go through the link below and you can see complete bonuses. I'm not making some hype for bonuses or in the all something like that. I'm not doing that. So I'm just discussing this product. So for example, this is okay. If you click any of this button, okay, any of this yellow button, you will redirect to this page, and here you will get each and everything in detail specifically. Okay, so I'm just showing you a simple method. Okay, everyone generally know this, how to contact the influencers and something like that, and generally people use this. So this is Hipsy, where you will get influencer worldwide. This is website for that particular work. Okay, so I'm just going here. Let me show you how you will get. But in this product, you are not going to learn about Hipsy and all. You will learn more advanced thing than Hipsy and some basic methods. Okay, so this is basic methods I'm just showing you for the demo. So I'm just allowing cookies, and you can just create free account, and I can just request a demo, but I'm just creating, or I'm just trying to log in. So I can show you some influencers. If I am not able to log in, then I will create account directly in front of you, so that you will be able to know each and everything, and then you will be able to see this product is going to fit for you or not. Okay, so just because of checking this product, I'm just carrying you on this website. Okay, I'm just lost my password. Okay, just give me 1 minute guys, just give me 1 minute. I'm just trying my some another password, so that I can be able to show you later. I will show you the powerful, strongest paid advertising method, and we will compare which method is good. Okay, influencer marketing or just solo ad, which is too much important, and actually not important. Solo ads is too much powerful method, where people are generally get the clicks, get some email marketing captures. Okay, and also they get some conversions. Okay, but I will tell you how much people pay for this and how you will close deals here. Okay, very cheap, by using very cheap price. So I am just going to create account, guys, because I just lost my password. I'm not getting my password because I will click on forget. It will take too much time to show you, and we don't have too much time. So let me create one more account directly in front of you, so it will be helpful to you to understand this is going to very great deal for you or not. So I'm just creating account, guys. I'm just clicked here work email. uh, I'm just using this one, and for example, I'm just trying and just creating. Okay, so let's see what will come inside. Later we will go to here solo ads, which is powerful and most guaranteed method of paid advertising, and then we will compare both. Okay, influencer marketing and solo ads. So okay, you can go for some different advertising also, but solo ads is most guaranteed method. It means you will get some more results than other advertising method. I worked for brand, number of employees one. Okay, so it will take more time, I think. Okay, almost done. So guys, let me check my email. Just wait, guys. Okay, so that I can able to show you. I will be able to show you you are just choosing right method or not. Okay, so just this is taking too much time. Till then we can go. Okay, just let me open this one. It's open directly. So let me see. This is Hipsy, guys. This is I'm again repeating myself with my work. Okay, I'm just showing you the main insights. Okay, and just because of this tool you are going to get more advanced level. Okay, so don't underestimate this, guys. So this is Ipsy action required. I'm just clicking on this one. Okay, so I'm just activate my account. Okay, and we will redirect to my account so that you will be able to see how to close the deal with influencers. Okay, and how many influencers are there, and actually you will be able to see the different niches. Okay, so if you are for it is taking too much time, so much time wasting thing, guys. Okay, so much. I don't have time to do all these things and all because our video will be too much long. So I'm just using another one right now. Okay, actually, guys, just wait. Okay, I'm coming by doing all these things. So actually, you will be able to save your time. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So guys, I'm inside this right now, and you can see this is for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. 3 influencer categories are available. Okay, so you can save your influencer here. Okay, I'm just logged in on Hipsy. I'm just showing you a basic method how to deal with influencers for doing influencer marketing. I'm repeating, this is not organic method. This is not inorganic method. Obviously, you have to pay for advertising for inorganic methods, but here you have to also pay, but this is not inorganic because you are not running advertising all that. Okay, you are just closing deal with someone and you will start getting some results, maybe some leads, maybe some conversions, maybe something else. So what you have to do, see some influencers are available in front of you directly. Why this is not coming? Because for you for this you have to just upgrade. Okay, so for any website if you go, you will need some upgrades. Okay, means you have to pay there. Okay, but here in this method you will know each secrets. Okay, so how to close deals cheap with cheap amount. Okay, and how some alternatives are available to you for produce some results and or something like that. Okay, so this is, guys, Hipsy, you can see. Okay, so that is how you can directly write notes. Okay, by writing notes you have to just closing the deals. Okay, because you can see followers engagements, and here you can see some niche. Okay, this is for media sport, you can see. So for something like that, sports related product, if you want to sell, you can contact with him. some related to like dog, animals lover. You can see here, see pets and animals, and mainly for specifically for dogs. Okay, so you can go for dogs if you are dog lover, and if you have e-commerce website, something like that, or you are if you have any affiliate product, okay, you are selling something like dog product, okay, so you can directly contact her. Okay, and you can just close deals. Okay, he will do some promotion for you, and directly you will start getting some clicks, some opt-ins, means some emails, some leads, and maybe some conversions also, because people generally contact this type of people for conversions. Okay, so that you can go for this one. Okay, so different niches, some different peoples are available. Not even people, these are influencers. So you can see entrepreneurs, business, media. For example, if you have some business opportunity, okay, it may be anything, you can go for this. You can go for, you can contact her, okay, to do your promotion. So guys, I told you, I shown you this Hipsy. So I'm just logging out, okay, because I'm just logging out, and here you will get more advanced method than this, okay, not even these normal methods and something like that. I already shown you all these things. Even if you have any doubt, you can go through the link below, you can read, and you can just see each and every features and instructions. You can click on this button, you can go the main page, and you can get some more details, okay, in deep details. So I'm just closing this Hipsy. Now I'm showing you, this is Udemy, most powerful paid advertising. In paid advertising, you can go for Google ads, Facebook ads, so many advertising method, but this is solo ads. And here chances of getting sales leads are more powerful. Why? Because here people have already some built-in methods. I'm just clicking on that, and let's see what will come. But here you have to pay a little bit more amount. Okay, so there are no chance, there are no guarantee, no guarantee on any type of the conversions and something like that. But okay, I'm not using this one, but okay, no worry, no worry. I'm just trying to show you. If I never already taken, so what happens? I'm just logging this. Give me 1 minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. I'm coming with login. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So right. Okay, guys. So I'm just inside this, which is Udemy. This is solo ads method. Okay, for inorganic method, I already tell you what it is. So I'm just inside now. Here, if you want, actually, these people are available here. You can see. Okay, you will see this amount. Okay, this is amount for cents, and actually MOQ is available here. Minimum order quantity. Okay, so minimum you have to pay $100. $150, something like that, and then you will be able to get this solo ads of these people or on these people's lists. Okay, this all people's are actually this all people's have some list, and on that list they will promote your offers. So you can go with anyone. So I'm just clicking this one, okay, just for showing you. So see, 300 clicks. Okay, you have to pay $168. Okay, everything is in front of you. But on the other hand, in influencer marketing, you don't have to go with this type of the minimum amount. This is minimum amount, guys. Okay, you cannot go with lower than this. Okay, you can just go with this type of the amount. So $165 you have to pay. There is no guarantee of conversions and something like that, but you will get some conversions also. But you have to pay too much amount just to start this solo ads. Okay, so solo ads is most guaranteed method of the paid advertising, something like that. But here in influencer marketing, okay, you don't have to go with this type of the big amounts. You can start with little amounts. Okay, too much little amounts, you can start getting some results. Okay, and that's how you will start making some profits, something like that. Okay, and again, some more benefits are also available, which I already told you in the beginning of the video. So now decision is yours. You can go through the link below. You will redirect to this page. You will read each and every details. Some bonuses are available for you. Bonus number 1, bonus number 2, bonus number 3. Bonus number 2 is most powerful because you are going to get some cheat sheets, okay, to grow fast. Actually, not for the growing fast, okay. For some personal users, also you will always need some cheat sheets, okay, in your life. So this is for that. So you will learn all these things. This is product. I already mentioned all these things, guys. So we will meet another time, okay. We will meet another time with another masterpiece. Till then, bye, guys.